Why women are sexually attracted to older guys. If you are an older guy looking to attract women, then this video is perfect for you. We are going to discuss the traits and qualities that older guys excel in and where they should focus their energy if they want more women to take notice of them. But before we get going, please remember to like the video, press that red button to subscribe to our channel and comment "I've subscribed" so that we can thank you. It all helps massively with the algorithm. Experience and maturity. Women are attracted to older men for various reasons, including their experience and maturity. As men age, they gain more experiences that shape their worldview and result in increased maturity. Mature men with a good grasp of life are more appealing to women than those still figuring things out. Older men have been through various stages of life, such as establishing a career, raising a family, and dealing with loss, and have learned valuable lessons from these experiences. This maturity and experience can make older men more confident in themselves and their decisions, which women find appealing. They know exactly what they want and are not afraid to pursue it. Women who seek a confident and decisive partner are naturally drawn to older men. Furthermore, older men are often better at handling difficult situations because they have had more experience dealing with conflicts and emotional situations. They have learned to handle difficult situations with maturity and poise, which can be attractive to women. Financial stability. Another factor that attracts women to older men is their financial stability. It is no secret that women seek a financially secure partner who can provide that stability. Older men are often in a better financial position than the younger men because they have had more time to establish their careers and accumulate wealth. For instance, an older man in, say, his late 30s, 40s or 50s may have already established himself in his career, have a steady income and own his own home, thus making him more financially secure than a younger guy just starting out. This financial stability may appeal to women looking for someone to provide security and stability in a relationship. They are often drawn to men who can take care of themselves as well as provide for them if necessary. For example, an older man who is financially secure may be able to take his partner on more extravagant dates or vacations, which can be very appealing to some women. Furthermore, financial stability can lead to a less stressful relationship. Sounds amazing. An older man who is financially secure is less likely to be concerned about money and, well, he can devote more time to his relationship. He may also be more willing to invest in a long-term relationship or marriage because he feels more secure about his financial future. While financial stability should not be the only consideration in a relationship, it is a significant factor for many women when choosing a partner. Confidence and assertiveness. Older men are often more confident and assertive than the younger man, which can be a major attraction for women. As men age, they become more comfortable in their own skin, and this confidence and assertiveness can be extremely appealing to women seeking a partner who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to pursue it. Consider this. Have you ever met a man who exudes confidence and appears to have it just all together? It has a magnetic quality that can be difficult to resist. Older men have had more time to develop this confidence and assertiveness, making them more appealing to women seeking a partner who is self-assured. Assertiveness and confidence can manifest in various ways. For instance, an older man may be more willing to assert himself in the bedroom, which can appeal to some women. He may also be more comfortable expressing himself and standing up for himself, which can be refreshing for women tired of dating men who are unsure or passive. However, it is essential to note that there is a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Women are not drawn to men who are arrogant or have overinflated senses of self-importance. The key is to balance confidence and humility, which older men have had more time to cultivate. Therefore, if you are an older man looking to attract women, do not hesitate to exude confidence, but make sure to do it in a respectful and genuine manner. Physical appearance. The physical appearance of older men plays a significant role in the sexual attractiveness to women. As men age, they often develop physical characteristics associated with maturity and experience, such as facial hair, wrinkles, and a more distinguished appearance. These physical attributes can be very appealing to women looking for a confident, sophisticated, and mature partner. In addition to the physical characteristics of age, older men may also take better care of themselves and have a more refined sense of style. They They may dress in clothes that fit well, accentuate their best features, and groom themselves to appear more polished and put together. This attention to detail can be attractive to women because it shows that the man cares about his appearance and is confident in himself. When a woman is sexually attracted to an older man, she will often appreciate his physical appearance. She may be drawn to his mature and experienced features, as well as his grooming habits and sense of style. This can indicate to her that he takes care of himself and is confident in his appearance, which can be very appealing. Life goals. At number 5, we have life goals, which is an attractive quality that can appeal to women seeking a stable, responsible, and committed partner. Older men typically have more life experience, allowing them to establish a career, build financial stability, and achieve personal goals. This sense of direction and purpose can be appealing to women, as it shows that the man is willing to work hard to achieve his dreams. For instance, an older man who is pursuing new challenges in a successful career may be perceived as an ambitious individual who is not afraid to take risks. This can be attractive to women looking for a driven and successful partner who has a sense of purpose in his life. Moreover, an older man with a clear vision for his future, whether it involves traveling the world, starting a business, or pursuing a new hobby, can be very appealing to women. This suggests that he is always looking for new challenges and experiences, rather than being content to coast through life. Women who share similar goals and values may be drawn to this type of partner, as he is a kindred spirit who shares their desire for personal development and exploration. Relationship experience. Older men often possess more relationship experience than younger men, having been in various types of relationships. This experience may appeal to women who are looking for a partner who is emotionally mature and capable of navigating the ups and downs of a relationship. Older men in a long-term relationship or marriage are likely to have learned valuable communication skills, conflict resolution techniques, and emotional intelligence, which will help them be better partners in the future. They have had time to learn what works and what doesn't, and they may be better prepared to deal with relationship challenges. Furthermore, an older man who has had children or has been married before may be perceived as more nurturing and caring, owing to the experience of raising a family and caring for a partner. This quality can appeal to women because it indicates that the man can provide emotional support and stability in a relationship. Of course, relationship experience does not guarantee that an older man is a perfect partner or that he is incapable of making mistakes. However, it does imply that he has had time to learn and grow from his experiences and may be better able to understand the complexities of a relationship and how to make it work. This experience can indicate emotional maturity, valuable communication and conflict resolution skills, and the ability to provide emotional support and stability in a relationship. Less drama. As women age, many become more concerned with stability and are less interested in games. Older men have an advantage in this area because they are often less likely to engage in petty conflicts or immature behaviour. Older men may have experienced the wild parties and drama-filled phases of their lives and are now seeking a more stable and fulfilling relationship. Women are tired of the drama and chaos that accompany dating younger men, so they may find this appealing. Furthermore, older men may be more aware of what they want in a relationship and just less likely to play games or engage in manipulative behaviour. They are more likely to communicate with their partners openly and honestly, which can lead to a more harmonious and fulfilling relationship. In conclusion, women are attracted to older men for various reasons. And if you are an older man looking to attract women, focusing on these qualities and effectively communicating them to potential partners is critical. You can increase your chances of attracting women looking for experienced partners by simply emphasizing your strengths and commitment to a stable relationship. At the same time, remember that every woman is unique and she's going to have her own set of preferences regarding partners. So don't be disheartened if some women aren't interested in you. Plenty of women will value what you have to offer. Finally, it comes down to simply being true to yourself and your values and finding someone who shares those values and complements your strengths. So stay confident, be yourself, and best of luck. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in our next video.